Dear students, welcome to my channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe it. Hope the videos from this channel is useful for you. Today in this video, let us try to solve another problem in the area of rectification of errors. Now let us see the situation under which the rectification of errors will take place, provided the trial balance shows a disagreement and a suspense account is opened. The first question is the total of return outward book rupees 480 not posted in the ledger account. So the return outwards or purchases return normally shows a credit balance which has not posted into the ledger account, so that the trial balance is showing a disagreement. So we have to start with the suspense account. Suspense account debtor to return outwards or purchases return book. Purchases return to the extent of 480. So by passing this journal entry to the extent of 480 in the suspense account will get cancelled. The next question is a purchase of 350 from Y has been entered in the sales book. However, Y's account has been correctly entered. So instead of writing in the purchases book, it is written in the sales day book. So we have to cancel the sales and we have to initiate purchases. So that the journal entry will be purchases account debtor 350, sales account debtor 350 to suspense account to the extent of 700. So by passing this journal entry, purchases account to the extent of 350 initiated, sales account to the extent of 350 cancelled, and the suspense account is cancelled to the extent of 700 rupees. Now a sales of 390 to Z has been credited to his account as 290. So in this case, actually his account has to be debited to the extent of 390. Instead, his account is credited to the extent of 290. So the difference will be 390 plus 290. This will be the difference. So we have to pass the journal entry Z's account debtor to suspense account to the extent of 680, adding these two, and here also it is 680. So by passing this journal entry, this 290 got cancelled and this 390 initiated. So this is the rectification entry with the support of the suspense account to rectify this particular error. The next transaction is old furniture sold for rupees 5,400 had been entered as sales as rupees 4,500 in the sales book. So when a furniture is sold, that furniture account should be credited, not the sales account, but it is entered in the sales account. So we have to cancel sales account for 4,500. Sales account debtor 4,500. Suspense account debtor 900 to furniture account 5,400. So by passing this journal entry, the difference that shown in the suspense account to the extent of 900 will be cancelled, and the furniture account 5,400 sold is initiated and the sales account 4,500 cancelled. So the next transaction is goods taken by the proprietor for his personal use for 500 rupees not entered in the books of account. So it will not be reflected in the trial balance since it is not entered, so that we just have to write that journal entry drawings account debtor to purchases account. to the extent of 500. By passing this journal entry, that mistake also corrected. Now let us prepare the suspense account. 2 purchases returned, 480. 2 furniture, 900. By purchases, 350. By sales, 350. By Z's account, 680. So the total of the suspense account in both the side is 1380. So by passing these 5 journal entry, the disagreement which is shown in the trial balance and we mentioned it as suspense account is got cancelled. Hope this video is useful. Please watch it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.